Hi! In this video, we'll walk you through adding PayPal as a payment method in Store.link. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Store.link dashboard and click on Settings, then Payments. Under the Payments section, select Add Payment Method and choose PayPal. Here, enter the email address associated with your verified PayPal business account. Next, choose a suitable color theme for your PayPal button. Let's pick the gold option here. Once you've made your selection, simply click Add to complete the setup. That's it! Now, let's take a moment to preview the store and confirm the changes. Here we have a shopping cart ready for checkout. Let's click Continue. When your customers proceed to check out, they'll notice a new PayPal button displayed here. When a customer selects PayPal as their payment method, the checkout button instantly changes to the color theme that you have selected. This is how PayPal's checkout page will look like. Upon successful payment, your customers will be redirected to the order confirmation page, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction experience. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center